Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza, and today I'm here with a local SEO case study on how you can rank on Google Maps and how I was able to rank a website on a local search, and what I did and what you can do to copy that strategy or to clone that strategy, and how it went or how it worked for us. I will share you with complete details with you in this video. But before I start, I want you to make sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure to click the bell icon so that you don't miss any other video I create. And by the way, I'm creating videos regularly, almost on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and SEO, and I do not want you guys to miss out. And your subscription also means appreciation for me, so I look forward for your subscription towards my channel. So without wasting time, let's get started on how to rank. So I gathered some points and I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to also demonstrate the case study with you along with as well. So let's get started on here. So you can see that, okay, first thing first is how to rank on Google Maps and how I ranked a hospital in local search SEO. So the first thing is that you need to get a Google business profile, and that is very easy. In case if you don't know yet, just Google out Google business profile. Just write this down and you can see the link over here of Google business profile, and you can get started over here. Okay, all you need a Google account, which I think that you already have, but majority of the people already have Google account. But in case if you do not have a Google account yet, let me tell you that creating a Google account is as easy as ABC. You just have to write down your name, your contact details, billing details to get started, and just sign in with it. Okay, so signing up is free. Creating your Google profile is free, and it doesn't cost you anything. So it's the total process is free. So once you sign up, you have to verify your details that you are the real owner of this property. For that, Google business profile will send a document towards your physical address, and this will also enlist your search location in Google Map results. So anyone who wants to search about your property can also search in Google Maps. So yeah, these three steps can make the procedure complete. And now the second thing is to optimize the profile. I'm going to show you as well. So for that optimize the profile, the first thing is you need to figure out your relevant category. You also need to have your relevant phone number, and third is you need to state your hours, your operating hours. And then comes a part, the A part, which I haven't discussed yet, and that is about keywords, optimizing your keywords. Okay, let me show you as well the case studies as well. In case if you don't know that I already run a charitable hospital in my own local area, and okay, I'm based in Lahore, and the area is a Faisal town where that hospital is located. So we did an experiment on optimizing it, and I will show you as well on how we are at optimizing that in our area. Okay, I think that it can be improved as well. So just write down on Trust Hospital in Faisal town, and you're gonna see our location on second number. In case if you're not from Lahore, you just add up the Lahore and you're gonna find the location as well. Okay, we are also being ranked for charitable. Okay, you can also see that that term is also being searched regularly on Google, which is why it is being shown in the Google autocomplete suggestions. And you can see over here, okay, we get ample of queries every day, and month to month, the record is improving of how many people are coming through Google towards our hospital. Okay, we are being now ranked on a second. Okay, there is still a room for improvement. Like I want now we will focus on ranking on this term, like in a whole city we want to be ranked. Okay, but that is our future goal. Right now we are currently ranking in our area, and that is a very good thing that we are being ranked. Okay, the once you are done with writing, we have, in case if you open our profile, you can see that you manage this business profile. It means that I manage this business profile, and Google knows as well that I manage it. Okay, I'm going to show you as well that you need to mention your opening hours. You need to also mention your area, as well as you need to mention your phone business number. Okay, that is important. You can see the pictures as well of the people who have been over to the hospital, and they can see the pictures or whatever. I think a single or two picture was captured by me, but the rest of the pictures are being captured by the people who regularly visit that hospital. So that's a good thing on the users part, that they are also participating with it. Now the thing is to get consistent reviews. Okay, as a hospital, it is not possible because that is created for a lower class, and in my city area, local class doesn't actually visit or use mobile as much. Yeah, now majority do, majority are on social media, but again the thing is that I believe that not every positive people write a positive review on social media, but every negative review is being posted on social media. So no one forgets to write a negative review in case if they experience such thing. But in case if they experience a positive experience, they always do not mention it. So it's not necessary that if you have a positive experience and people will mention it, but it is necessary that if people gets a negative review, that negative experience, they will definitely mention on your social media pages. So which is why we are very concerned with this. But yeah, we got some positive reviews as well. You can see that almost 11 people have rated us, and we have got 4.5 ratings. Yeah, averagely it's a very good ratings. So yeah, you need to get consistent reviews. Ideally, if people mention your targeted keywords in the review, it will gonna rank you up, rank you further improve. So that is going to be a win-win. Third is reply to reviews, and fourth is take care of negative reviews. Okay, for the reply to reviews, I constantly try to reply to reviews, and I also take care of negative reviews. I'm going to show you reviews, so I can tell you that not all of the reviews are positive. We got one negative as well. I'm going to show you as well, and how we sort it out as well. Okay, okay, that's me myself that I rated it. Okay, you can see that a guy mentioned that very poor management, person at reception didn't guide properly. I got checked by Dr. Sagir. Very arrogant and rude behavior of doctor. Okay, I responded. I can edit this note as well. Concern has been addressed. Dr. Sagir has been questioned. Thanks for notifying. It's mean that we are constantly looking on negative reviews and we questioned it. So taking care of your negative review is very important. Okay, yeah, people are also appreciating it. Very helpful staff and take care of your medical needs and provide high quality facilities at very ordinary fees to serve less privileged people of the society. I replied, thanks mother for such a wonderful review. I really appreciate your gesture. I have just shared your reviews with all staff and doctors of Al Imran Hospital, so for motivation and morale of the hospital. Okay, I'm going to tell you that taking care of reviews is very important, and as well as negative reviews. I take care of all of the reviews. You can see that none of the review have been ignored, but rather I lookout on the reviews. Professional and experienced doctors are available, but you might get delays in operational activities like getting medical records. Apologies, yeah, for slightly delay, but he got everything done. Free medicine helping humanity. You can see nice experience, and fees is very low. So we got majority of the positive reviews over here. Okay, what I'm going to tell you is that reviews is ideally, and in case if people mention your targeted keywords in the review, that's going to be a win-win solution. But you cannot force the users. But yeah, in case if they mention it, it's going to improve you well in rankings as well. Now the thing is to build citations, and I'm going to show you little work we have done. I think that there is always a room for improvement. I'm going to show you as well over here. Okay, you can see that Google knows that this is my business on Google. Okay, I'm going to show you everything over here. The citations we did. Okay, looking out on the negative review is something we do take great care of, and that is because that is how we improve, that is how we look on, and that is how we get improved. I'm going to show you. Ideally, you need to work on your negative review. You need to work on getting more links, citations, ideally from trusted websites. Okay, but I'm going to show you the few of the work which we did, and how you can replicate it. Or in case if you want my team assistance, we can also give you can see that the documentary is also over here. I also run the media channel of this. You can see. Okay, so okay, I'm going to show you this one now. Okay, and then okay, apologies for so here you can see that one of the link you can see over here. You can see that best we are being listed over here. It is a very famous directory here for the hospitals, all in one hospital. Two doctors have been, we currently have around 28 to 31 doctors, including the surgeons. Um, you can see that we are also being listed on Oladoc. We are also being listed on Instacare, and we also have our YouTube page where we regularly, update videos regarding doctors, because it's a collective organizational video. So we also have videos related to other projects as well, but primarily majority of the videos are related to the hospital. And then you can see that here, and it's another place where we are being listed over here with our address. So yeah, getting your website listed is also important in improving your rankings, getting your hospital name, brand registered. That is another part. You can work on local directories, niche directories, build relevant citations, use high authority websites to improve your rankings. And now the next part where we are lacking, because our website is just constructed and we just have one page, we need to work out here, is that we need to work on page optimization. We need to create local pages. Local pages can be, search on, we can create a page on pregnancy hospital in Lahore, because we do pregnancy surgeries as well. Best oncologist in Lahore, best orthodontist in Lahore, because we have a dental department here as well, and we have an eye department here as well. We have a psychiatrist, psychologist, we have a homeopathic, we have a dermatologist. So we have a ample of doctors over here. So we can create local pages on based on the services we provide, and that can improve our rankings further in the local area, local service. So that is how we can, but that is a room for improvement further, and there is always a room for improvement for any project, for any service you are working on. So yeah, this was the case study on how I was able to rank Trust Hospital in a local search, and how you can rank yourself on Google Maps. We are also being ranked right now on, by local search means Google Map results. So yeah, I even shown you as well in the video. So you can even replicate the terms and search for yourself as well. So yeah, how was the video? Make sure to pass your feedback, and in case if you want me and my team service to get it done, we will be able to help you work out. So contact us today in case if you want us to work for your projects regarding local SEO rankings, local search rankings, and for even for Google ads or Facebook ads or general SEO as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye bye.